This video I'm going to show you how you can extract the leads of your targeted customers on LinkedIn or LinkedIn Sales Navigator using extension. I'm going to share with you that extension. Okay, you don't need to be worried about. Okay, but I want to say that if you are to a prospect manually, so I think that it takes time to search manually on a daily basis because let's say you want to target health coach, okay, and you type your health coach, okay. Now you can click on the people button and then based on the location you can start reaching out to those people, okay. But the problem with this strategy that search you need to search on manually on a daily basis. You need to use filter on a daily basis, and you know that it takes time to search. And let's say uh, to reach out to only 30 to 50 people today, okay. But 30 40 to 50 people, okay, let's say you have reached out um, well, okay, today, but again you want to target uh, these people, okay, means based on this target. So you need to again type here the health coach. You need to again use the filter button, and you need to again use choose the location, okay. You need to do this thing on a daily basis. But if I can say that you can uh, extract this leads in one sheet, and you can reach out to them, you can message them one by one on a daily basis, and so that you don't need to be type so that you don't need to filter on a daily basis, okay, and it will save your time. So what you can do, so I'll show you. So let's say you want to scrap the leads, guys. If you scrap the leads from LinkedIn search, then you can extract only 1,000 leads, okay. But if you can use LinkedIn Sales Navigator, then you can extract 2,500 leads in a day. I will show you that how you can use. First, you can select your targeted customer, and based on your targeted customer, uh, you need to let's say you want to target to health coach, okay. So we can type here include, okay. Now in which location you want to target, so you want to target, let's say, North America, okay. And if you want to filter out, if you want to use more filter, so you can use this, okay. Otherwise you can uh, now if we want to target, we want to extract this leads based on this filter. So what we can do, first, before extracting the leads, you need to install this extension. The extension name is Closely, okay. So you can go on Google and type Closely, okay. Closely extension, you need to install this extension, okay. Installed it, so I'm not going to install it again, okay. But if you have not installed, then please go and first install this extension, and then after installing this extension, you also need to create an account in this tool, okay. And then you can accept the leads, okay. So let's say I've already accepted the I've already installed this tool, so I'm not going to install it again, okay. You can see this icon. Now, if you want to extract only this leads only the LinkedIn URL of this profile. So what you can do, you can click on export button, okay, and here you can choose how many people would you like to export. So the maximum number we can export 2500 using Sales Navigator. So I've already told you. Okay, so you can click on the export CSV. So it will take few times to accept 2500 leads. Okay, and and it will give you a CSV file, uh, targeted customers. Okay, but if you also want to export the emails of this lead, so you can click on this button. Okay, and when you click on this button, so uh, it will send you on your closely account, and from there you can extract the emails of this leads. Okay, to verify your leads, if you only want to extract the LinkedIn URL of your leads. Okay, but if you want to extract also emails of your leads, then what you can do, first you need to export the leads of export the emails of your leads. Okay, and then what you can do, you can go on this site Bouncify. You can type Bouncify, app.bonsify.io. Okay, you can search on Google, and you need to create your account on Bonsify, and then you can submit your CSV file by clicking here add list, and here you can submit your CSV file, so that Bonsify will verify your leads, and out of 2500, how many leads to how many leads you can mail them, and how many emails are deliverable, and how many emails are are undeliverable. So Bonsify will verify based on your target customer, and based on whatever sheet CSV file you have shared with the Bonsify. Okay, so after the verifying the list of your CSV file, you can download your CSV file. Okay, and then you can reach out to them via cold email. So that's it, guys. That's it. How you can use closely to extract the leads, to extract the LinkedIn URL of your targeted leads, and how you can use closely to extract the lead, to extract the emails of your targeted leads. Okay. So and so that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, you can ask me. Okay, or I can also add the link of this website, of the Closely website, and also Bonsify website, so you can go from there. So thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.